6.5 meters in length. It weighs over half a ton and it's using 7 CNC axes. This is my newest design, the Proteus Pipemaster 6000 5-axis pipe cutter. Welcome, my name is Attila, and in this short video I show you the main features of this machine. The Proteus Pipemaster can cut and mark various sizes of pipes from 20 to 200 mm in diameter, as well as square or rectangular tubes till 150 mm diagonal length. It is equipped with a 160 mm 4-jaw direct drive chuck with 80 Nm torque, which is more than enough power for all the jobs needed on this machine. There are two, from each other, independently controlled loading axes, which traverse the pipe to the chuck's center for easy fixtures of the workpiece. Unlike most of the CNC pipe cutters, where the rotary axis is at a fixed position and the torch travels along the workpiece, the Proteus Pipemaster is designed the opposite way, where torch is at a fixed position and the workpiece travels along, which ensures that all cut parts are going to fall to the same spot. The A-axis can bevel plus and minus 45 degrees for welding preparation of the pipes. The machine base is made out of 150 x 100 mm steel welded rectangular tube. All axes are using the highest quality of linear guideways, ensuring precision and long-term durability. The CNC is a Windows-based controller. It has its high advantage in flexibility, as all buttons and functions can be customized by the operator. A remote software is installed on the CNC, and if needed, a technical real-time help is possible through internet connection. Can also monitor activity of the tool machine. Programming of workpiece can be done online on the controller itself, as well as offline from a remote office. When it comes to high-demand cutting, marking, pipes, rectangular or square tubes, the Proteus Pipemaster 6000 is a superior choice for all these tasks. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my upcoming projects.